What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to log into your old Konami ID for the eFootball 25. For that the process is very simple. If you have an old ID that you used in the previous versions of eFootball and haven't used in a while, in this video I will be showing you how to exactly use them again. So first thing first, to log in your old account EFC, make sure that you follow these steps. Opening Football 2025 on your device. Go to the setting or the data transfer in the main menu. Select link data or data transfer. Choose your previous account method. That could be Konami ID or Google or Apple. So whatever method that you choose previously, make sure that you wrote in the same credentials again. So log in with the credentials of your old account, confirm the data transfer of the account, and after that, what you have to do is simply try and play the game. So that way you will be able to log into your previous account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, please consider subscribing to the channel. Take care. Bye bye.